Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be using these three boxes to assemble the Orbiter V2.5, and it'll be the first video in the installment of upgrading the extruder on my LDO Voron 0.2 kit. So let's head on over to the workbench and unbox and assemble this extruder. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here is the actual tool board with the USB adapter, some hardware, some housings, and the tool head cables. Here is the smart sensor for the Orbiter 2. Here's the sensor. Cable and hardware. And here's the actual extruder. Wire. Bag of LDO grease. An Allen key. And the extruder itself. Okay, let's go ahead and install the smart sensor. I'm going to take out the idler screw so we can access this screw here. We're also going to need to remove this, so we'll take off the orange clip. And then this black collet will need to get pulled out, like so. Now we have the empty hole. I'm going to now loosen these screws, remove this screw first. And I'm going to now loosen this screw until it is flush with the back of the stepper motor, like that. We will now install this by pushing that into that hole, lining that up behind the stepper motor like such, and doing the same on this side. Push this entire assembly onto it. You can see here now it's installed on that. I'm now going to replace the original screw with a 25mm long screw, and I'll tighten that down. The reason I want the 25mm long screw is because I'm going to add a standoff here that will allow me to install the tool board. Flip over to the other side. We will now remove this screw completely. And do the same. Install a 25mm long screw. We can go ahead and close this back up and reinstall the idler screw. Okay, utilizing everything you see here on the screen, we're going to install the tool board onto the back of the extruder. This 3D print is used to add some strain relief to the cable. I will link this down below. It was from the GitHub for the Orbitool. First thing we're going to do is flip this over, and we're going to add on to each of these screws a 15mm long female-to-female M3 standoff. Next, we're going to add this little connector piece, the connecting bridge, I believe is what it's called, into the header there, just like that. The 3D print will get positioned just like this on there. The tool board will get set there. So we'll put this tool board to the print, and these headers in the back will connect it back like this. Putting it back down on this face, we'll take a screw and one of the washers. Put it into the screw hole here and tighten. We'll do the same over here. Screw, washer. Just to give me some peace of mind, I'm going to try to center this on the 2 pins. But this is the tool board built up and installed onto the extruder with the 3D print for cable strain relief. We can go ahead and just plug in the step motor here. It goes into this header here. And then in the next video, I'm going to be installing this onto my LDO kit, Voron 0.2 kit, alongside the Revo Voron hot end and the Dragon burner.